Already making 100k to 200k every single month, scroll past this video, it is not for you. But if you don't make such amount, stay with this video to the very end, because I'm going to show you a business model that Africans are using to make money every single month. Whether you are from Ghana, Cameroon, Togo, South Africa, Nigeria, no matter what country you are watching this video from, what I want you to understand that you can do this business model. All you need is your smartphone and internet connection. Now, this is how the business model works. You help people to selling their digital products through online and you get commission out of it. This business is called affiliate marketing. You don't need to import goods or rent a shop for you to start this business. All the products have been provided for you already. So all you need to work 2 to 3 hours daily with consistency. You start making 100k to 200k every single month. For you to start this business, you definitely need help. That's why I have free WhatsApp classes for only 30 people. So if you are interested to want to join this class, you just need to do these 3 things. First, click the plus sign to follow me, because only my followers will be allowed for free. Secondly, comment the name of your country in the comment section. Last but not the least, use my number in my bio to send me a direct message on WhatsApp so I can add you to the group.